I'm the mechanic for Jack Moyer. Jack doesn't play with tire pressures too much. We do vary them in some conditions, but yesterday we were running 25 psi in the front and 28 in the rear, and we'll start off at that pressure today on the pinners and then go from there. We use 29-inch wheels, and we're using 2.4 width tyres. First day of practice in Lenzerheide, we were using the Grand Mutter. It was cut down just to get a little bit more rolling speed. With the track drying out this weekend and today, we're going to go with the pinner just to get even more rolling speed. We don't need the knobs to be quite as deep in the dirt today.